shepherd, I will not fear. He leads me through waters, His presence is near. Green fields surround me, my soul finds rest in the path of His promise. My spirit is blessed. And when the night is heavy with shadows, when silence weighs deep on my chest, Your hand lifts the burden I carry. Your name is my shelter, my not fear the night. Your rod and staff surround me. Your voice becomes my life. You set a table before me, even when enemies rise. My shepherd walks beside me. Forever, 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 my When my thoughts are loud and restless, and the night won't let me sleep, I find a quiet whisper where your presence gently speaks. In the stillness, you are near. Every heartbeat, you are here. You don't need the thunder sound to let your love surround. In the silence, I believe you are holding me. No need for grand displays of fire. You come like morning